Eat your fruits and vegetables. They're good for you. We have all heard this mantra from health professionals and moms and dads all of our lives, but have you ever wondered why? Yes, fruits and vegetables are chock full of vitamins and minerals, and just like all plant foods in a minimally processed form, are a great source of dietary fiber. But in addition to all of those healthful properties, fruits and vegetables are an excellent source of a substance called antioxidants. So what are antioxidants exactly? What's phytochemical? What's the difference between those two things? What about supplements? Where do we find antioxidants? How much do I need? And what does the research actually tell us about antioxidants and the benefits for us? Hi, my name is Milette Siler, and I'm an oncology dietitian with Moncrief Cancer Institute and the lead culinary medicine instructor with UT Southwestern Medical School. And in honor of National Fruit and Vegetable Month, I want to show you some of the benefits of eating a rainbow. Antioxidants are substances that are found naturally in many plant foods. Certain vitamins and minerals can act as antioxidants, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and selenium. You might have also heard the term phytochemical or phytonutrient in connection with antioxidants. Phytochemicals are natural compounds found in plant foods. All vegetables and fruits contain these phytochemicals. In fact, this is what gives them their vibrant colors. Some phytochemicals act as antioxidants. Later, we're going to dive into the differences between the color families and what benefits that mean. But first, let's discuss why do we need them? Antioxidants protect us from oxidation. So what is oxidation? Oxidative stress is damage done on a cellular level by substances called free radicals. While some of our body's production of free radicals is a natural and unavoidable byproduct of our body's use of oxygen, researchers have discovered that our environments, our diet, and lifestyle habits can influence our exposure. For example, smoking, exposure to UV light, and poor diet have been linked to excess free radical production. Excess free radical production increases our risk of diseases that are linked with oxidative stress, such as heart disease, cancer, cognitive decline, or brain health, and vision loss. The good news is our body's immune system has processes to combat these free radicals using substances from the food that we eat called antioxidants. Research tells us that not all antioxidants work in the same way. That's why we tell you to eat a wide variety of fruits and vegetables so you can get the best chance of getting the most benefit. So, what about supplements? There have been numerous studies to show the benefits of antioxidants in supplement form, and unfortunately, results have been mixed at best. In fact, several studies have even shown a negative effect from taking a supplement. So what gives? The research linking the benefit between eating fruits and vegetables is very strong. So why does this not translate to supplements? Researchers do not know for sure. There are a few theories, but the most accepted reason is that antioxidants, like many health benefits, tend to work best in combination with other naturally occurring elements in food, such as vitamins, minerals, and other antioxidants. For example, let's take this strawberry. Strawberry is a rich source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant by itself. As you may know, you can synthesize vitamin C in a laboratory by itself, if you can purchase it at the store. But what about the other health elements in this strawberry? You've got flavonols and polyphenols that are all working in concert together. We are still learning how all of these substances work together in harmony to increase our health. Some things just cannot be duplicated in a pill. In addition, it's important to note that just like everything else in life, too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. Supplements can have adverse effects if tolerable upper limits are exceeded. Also, a vitamin or a supplement that might have little effect for one person could be harmful for another, particularly those with some health conditions or taking certain medications. For your safety, you should always disclose any vitamin or supplement usage with your healthcare team. You might have heard the phrase, eat the rainbow. Well, there's actually a lot of science that backs that up. When it comes to fruits or vegetables, the color is a really great indicator of the family of antioxidant or phytochemical benefit. I have taken the liberty of arranging a display of some of my favorites, so let's dig in and discuss. Starting with the red family. Red is an indicator that carotenoids are present. A common carotenoid is lycopene. Lycopene's most clear benefit seems to be for the heart and prevention of lung disease. The family of orange and yellow fruits and vegetables is an indicator that beta-cryptoglycans are present. They support communication systems within the body and help prevent heart disease. This family is also typically rich in vitamin C. The family of green fruits and vegetables will get their color from chlorophyll, but are often rich sources of vitamin C. Leafy green vegetables like spinach and basil are also a good source of vitamin E. In addition, they can be rich sources of isocyanate and indoles, which are most commonly associated with a reduction in cancer risk. Up next are your dark red, your blue, and your purple family. They get their pigment from anthocyanins, which some research shows aid in delaying cell aging, a reduction in blood clots, and brain health. Although not technically part of the traditional rainbow, white and brown is definitely part of our nutritional rainbow. They are part of the anthoxanthin family. They are rich in allicins, which have anti-tumor properties, particularly garlic. So how much do we need for optimum health? The U.S. Dietary Guidelines recommends 4 to 5 cups of fruits and vegetables a day, which can be daunting, especially if you're not getting anywhere close to that like most Americans. A few suggestions. Break it down into individual servings. Examples. This is a serving of fruit, just half a cup, or a serving of vegetables, right here. Thinking about sneaking vegetables into your breakfast, for example. Some spinach in your smoothie, or adding them into your eggs in the morning is a great way to increase your vegetable intake. Don't forget, fruit and vegetable is part of your snacks. Remember, every serving of fruits and vegetables increases your health and decreases your risk of chronic disease. Don't overlook frozen fruits or vegetables. Frozen fruits or vegetables count, and they are just as nutritious as fresh. What are our takeaways for today? Excess free radicals damage us and increase our risk of disease like heart disease, cancer, and vision loss. While research studying antioxidant supplements do not demonstrate a clear benefit, there is abundant evidence that shows following a Mediterranean pattern of eating, including a diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables, does provide protection from disease and improves our quality of life. So eat the rainbow. On behalf of Moncrief Cancer Institute and UT Southwestern, we wish you happy cooking and healthy eating.